First, start by drawing a straight line. This top part will be a little more wiggly. Now we can draw a cherry. Let's draw some like jam, like dripping. Like that. Now I'm just going to draw a card that says dessert. And write in block letters D, E, dessert. I'm going to make it more wiggly at the top, like that. Now we can fine line it. I will fine line this and I will be right back. I have finished fine lining. Now we can start coloring. First I will be using a burnt ochre and put a little bit of it on this part. I am using circular motions. Now I will use a darker color of brown, a raw umber, and put a little bit of it. Now I will use a walnut brown and just put a slight color. Now I will take my gray color and put a light layer of it over it. Next I will use this color and just put a layer of it. Now that part is done. Now I will use the walnut brown and color in this part. I have finished that. Now I will use the raw umber and just put a slight layer of it on this edge. And make the edge darker. Now I will use a yellow and put a layer of yellow and make the yellow lighter. Like that. Now I will use the color again and put a layer of it on top of the yellow. Now I will use the white and just mix them together. Now I will use the white here on this plain area and use the brown burnt ochre and put a light layer of it there, like that. Now I will use the yellow again and put a layer of it like this. Like that. Now I will use the orange and put a layer of it, like a very light layer of it. And I will use the white and just put them into a color like that. And I will use the orange on the places where it's like have a shadow. And just mix the two colors together. And just put random lines. That is done. Now I will be coloring in the jam using a pale granium lake and color in the drip. And put the place where the cherry is a darker layer and put the edge more darker. Now I will use a deep scarlet red and give it a little more darkness. Now I will use the dark red for the places that I want a a little bit of depth. Like that. Now I will color in the cherry. I will use the same method. First giving a light layer of pale granulum milk and using the deep scarlet red. And using the dark red. Now you can color in this dessert part. Color very slowly. The drawing is done. See you until next time. Bye.